letter O. Let's hear my story.
Ollie the ostrich stood next to a basket of oranges. He picked one orange, rolled it with his foot, and it bounced like a ball. Ollie giggled. He shared the juicy oranges with his friends.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I am the letter P. Let's hear my story.
Penny the panda found a basket full of sweet yellow pears. She called her friends.
Come eat pears with me.
They sat under a tree, crunching pears and laughing. It was the perfect panda picnic.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.